Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, if you want to know, can CoinUp be hacked? The short answer is any online platform can be targeted, including cryptocurrency exchanges. While exchanges use security measures such as encryption, two-factor authentication, and account monitoring to help protect users, no platform can guarantee 100% protection against cyber attacks. The best way to keep your account safe is to enable 2FA. Use a strong and unique password, watch out for phishing scams, and avoid sharing your login details or recovery codes. For long-term holdings, many users prefer keeping their crypto in a self-custody wallet instead of leaving everything on an exchange. That's it. CoinUp uses security features, but your own security habits are just as important. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more crypto security tips. Thanks for watching.